Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss internet connectivity and the internet backbone. This topic explains how the different parts of the world are connected through the internet and how information travels quickly from one place to another using advanced technology like the fiber optics and satellites. Let's start from the world cities and internet connectivity. New York, London, and Tokyo are known as the leading world cities. These cities are strongly connected through telecommunications using fiber optic cables and satellites. Important international places just like the United Nations building in New York, are connected to almost every major city and country in the world, showing how global communication is possible or is made possible. The next one is the strongest internet connections. The strongest internet connections in the world are between the North America and Europe. This is followed by North America's connections with Latin America and Asia. Europe also has more than double the internet backbone capacity of North America, which shows how advanced and dense their internet infrastructure is. The next slide is the next slide asks which world cities are the most connected through internet backbone capacity. It focuses on how much internet data a city can handle and how important these cities are in global communication networks. Based on data from 2011, the Europe dominates global internet capacity. Many of the top internet routes connect European cities, and interestingly, even though that the Tokyo is a major global city in finance and banking, it does not appear on the list of top internet routes. For many years, the largest internet route was between New York and London, followed by London and Paris, and Miami has also become an important internet gateway to Latin America. This shows that the internet connections change over time and continue to grow in new regions. Now let's move on to differentiating fiber optics to or from satellites. Fiber optics are preferred because they are faster, they are more secure, and can carry more data. Satellites are still important, especially for remote and rural areas, because their cost does not depend on distance. Over time, fiber optic use has increased while satellites use has declined. By 2013, the number of mobile phone subscriptions almost matched the world population. Many developed countries now have more mobile subscriptions than people. More than 76% of mobile subscriptions are found in developing countries, with Africa being the fastest growing region. The modern capitalism depends on fast connections between markets. In the past, transportation helped connect the world, but today, telecommunications is more important. Global capitalism aims to create a world where distance no longer matters and cities function as if they are closely connected to each other. Moving on to the financial markets. The New York, London, and Tokyo dominate global financial markets. New York receives capital, London processes it, and Tokyo exports it. These cities operate 24 hours a day using advanced telecommunication systems, including satellites and fiber optic cables. The financial institutions, governments, and even the military use multiple backup systems in different locations. This is why the internet continued to function even after the 9/11 attacks. Its multiple access points make it very resilient and reliable. The United States has stronger internet links with Europe than with Asia or Latin America. Countries like United Kingdom, France, and Germany have strong internet and telephone connections with the US, and in Asia, Japan plays a major role, while Brazil and Colombia are important in South America. The internet service providers lay fiber optic cables in major cities. Underground cables are more secure but more expensive. These cables are built in loops to ensure stable connections and are used by large corporations such as banks and multinational companies. The fiber optics are also built to attract new businesses, especially in suburban areas. Knowledge based companies need fast and reliable internet. These areas offer a broadband superhighway that allows many messages and large amounts of data to be sent at the same time. Telecommunications affects how people live, work, study, and of course socialize. Cities today are no longer just industrial centers, but are networks of computers and communication systems. The internet plays a major role in social media, shopping, news, and even entertainment. Overall, globalization is made possible by telecommunications. World cities and megacities are the main centers of global economic activity. These cities are connected by fiber optic cables that carry information around the world. Telecommunications, especially the internet, continues to reshape cities and global relationships.